Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment. I came down here to tackle this front fencing, put up a new one, strimming, and the strimmer conked out and now it won't start. So every time you plan to do something, there's always problems that creates itself. I wanted to get out all these stinging nettles and everything and then come back along and strim there, but now I'm kind of stuck because I can't do nothing without working with the strimmer, and it's there conked out. Right, so I'm just seeing what is what here, what I can get out. Whoever put up this fence in the first place didn't do a good job of it. The holes ain't in the right place neither, so you can see how easy that is to come out. Wanted to take down the whole thing and replace it, but now I'm stuck in limbo as what to do now. Right, so I'm going to tackle this. If I can get everything out, then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so what I've done, I've managed to get the first post in. That's the main post, so that's already in, and it's I've used postcrete, so it's already set. So now I'm just lining up this one for the second one, which I've just noticed now that I've put the hole in the wrong place, or maybe I need to get it up this way a bit more, so that when I put this one here, it's about halfway up this pole, so I can put the another one, the board button up to this, and then another post up there somewhere. So what I'm doing now is just making sure that this one is straight, in line with that one. Then once I know it's in line with that one, then it's easier to work on. So you can see it goes up there. They go up pretty quickly when you get going. So that's the progress so far. So once I've put in a couple more and got the posts in, then I'll show you what's going on. I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so I've got the 3 posts in. I don't know what I'm going to do with this gap here. I'm going to have to try and sort something out there, because it goes right up to the tank, and I don't know where their water pipe is, and I don't want to. I've got this in there already. I don't want to go digging down. And then there's water pipe down there. So I just want this to go off a bit more, these 3 posts. The concrete is almost solid. It sets pretty quick. As soon as you put it in there, it's almost set. Just done this one and you can see it's almost set already. So meanwhile I'm waiting for that one to set, I've got another raised bed what I wanted to do. So I might as well get on with that one. Which is this one here. When I was digging the last time, the wood is rotten. So I'm going to make a raised bed for this one meanwhile. that goes off, get that out of the way. So I'm going to make a start and then I'll be back with you in a minute. Right everybody, so we've got this bed done. I've built it a bit wider, but later on when I've got time now that it's in, I'll pull it in place and then I'll take these ones out. I've just built it around it so it's slightly a bit about half a feet longer and bigger and wider. So that's that one done. Not sure if I have to do that one, but I'm just resting pots on that one, so I might just leave that one. Right, so that's how that one looks. Let my cameraman show you how it looks. We build them fast and quick. So the next stage now is to do the one, finish the fence at the top. So once I've started that, then I'll show you how we're getting on. Right. Right everybody, so managed to get the boards on. I've got 2 on. I've run out of screws, so I've got to leave it like this and for now. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's just showing you a quick fence that you can build if you've got the front on your back, or if you want to put borders you can just do it quickly using some scaffold and some posts. So I hope you all enjoy this one, and thanks for watching, and remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. We value your feedback and your comments on our videos, so hopefully we'll hear from you soon. So you take care and see you all on the next one.